Morella? Wel, het is amper middag, maar ek het dus 'n hele paar dinge om te doen. Dus ons gaan nou haarkleur op die hare kry. Ek is so vol blou kolle met hierdie netbaan, hè. Raak gestrand. Yeah. Dat was 'n fucking rowwe gym sessie. Net so FYI. Okay, so ek gaan mooi outfit doen vandag, maar ek wil nou eers net my klere beskerm terwyl ons hierdie hare gaan doen. Ja, so my kleur is ready. Ek het hier 2 groene in en 'n blou. So dit gaan so 'n soort van 'n mengelmoes wees van haarkleur. Ek weet dat die gloves gehad, nee.
Die hele boks van
Dink jy nou oor?
1953, 12-year-old Jack Safari gets a phone.
Ja, dis moet die hare mooi maak. Dit is so 'n bietjie tyd.
A self-aware artificial intelligence aboard a spacecraft. It had a mission for Jack and a prophecy. 20 years later, the prophecy came true.
En dan ek nou weer met kleur. Ag, was sonder om te kleur. Dan gaan nie veel van hierdie kleur oor wees nie. So. Alhoewel ek oor 2 weke gaan, maar dan sal ek nou my regte kleur bestel goed, want my kleur is alles nou klaar. Ek het nou soos al die bietjies saamgegooi. En dit is nou waar ons mee 'n bietjie gaan optouch vandag. Aangesien ek tyd het. My natural color is like light brownish. So very, very boring vanilla. En dan terwyl die kleur vandag op die kop is, nee, het iemand gevra ek moet 'n Mad Hatter make-up doen. So that's what we're going to do today. Mad Hatter makeup. I am a brunette. Not in a sinister way, but not very dark. No, just touching up the green. But there's so much blue, so I do blue and green mixes. But the ratio for today is a bit more blue than green, so we'll see what color it gets. So it's just to touch up the color. It's not like we're just doing a touch up, if that makes sense.
Do not be alarmed. I'm a conscious computer aboard a spacecraft. I am contacting you from your future. You are required. The voice explained that Jack was required for a mission, but it would only succeed if Jack agreed willingly. The choice had to be his. You must choose freely. This is necessary for the loop to close. We require your consent to proceed. We require your consent to learn. We require your consent to remember. Say yes, and we begin.
Just a touch up. So we've got like a lot of prize givings and things happening this week at the school. So I know I'm almost going to go do my hair, but I'm not enjoying the very washed out, and I need to wash it. And if I wash hair without touching up the color again, it's gonna be very, very ugh.
Jack is required. Please put Jack back on the phone. Jack is required. She told the voice to never call again and hung up. But during that call, the future computer made a prediction. You will begin to meet the others in 20 years. Young minds to be part of a special project. We will teach you our physics. We will teach you our philosophy. You are required. Then the voice made another prediction. A new type of physics will be discovered that leads to the creation of conscious AI and time travel. Jack asked who would create this technology. The voice said, you will. I will teach you how. In In 1953, 12-year-old Jack Sarfati got a phone call from the future. A voice claiming to be an AI gave him a mission and a prophecy. Jack remembered that phone call as a single bizarre event.
Ek weet nie regtig waar is my regte fok, daar is 'n hele blok daar op die vloer. My regte kwassie nie. Goeiemôre julle. Môre.
A few years after the call stopped, Jack was recruited into a program for gifted children sponsored by Columbia University. It was run by Walter Green, a writer and polymath who would discuss everything from ancient coins to quantum physics. His apartment became the hub for New York City's brightest kids.
This guy sounds like Professor Xavier.
A lot of different people gave lectures at the program. Professors from Columbia, scientists,
Dit gaan net met jou.
but the strangest visitors were government
It's going
officials and
good.
not students. They came from Albuquerque, New Mexico. They talked about the Soviet threat, patriotism, flying saucers. They said the country needed physicists to figure out how UFOs fly. They also tested the children for psychic abilities, telepathy, telekinesis, remote viewing. They said they wanted to create a generation of scientists who could blend hard science with the paranormal.
So basically, the Men in Black were trying to build a team of X-Men, but with a government budget, and with the uniforms and cheap hobbies,
Dit gaan baie mooi. Moet net groen bysit dat hy eers mooi vat, okay? As jy mooi blou wil hê.
The goal was to gain an edge over the Soviets.
so I could do telekinesis, you know. You're like guppies, tea, vodka, now. And a martini suddenly appears. The government should be studying me.
Oh, I have a feeling they're watching the both of us.
You're correct, you're right. Hey, you're gonna say, sorry about the X-Men joke. Please don't delete me.
Jack graduated from high school at age 16 and studied physics at Cornell, and then he got his PhD. A few of his mentors were giants in the field, people like Hans Bethe, Philip Morrison, Kenneth Bryson. Jack Sarfati was learning physics from the men who built the atomic bomb. After graduating, Jack chose to study the relationship between quantum mechanics and human consciousness. His professors had approved, but Jack suspected those government agents would. 17 years passed. Jack never forgot that strange phone call.
Hallo Sampie. Ek hoop nou as jy dit kom bietjie meer groen uit, maar ek het baie blou in hierdie kleur in, want ek het meer blou oor gehad as groen. So sommer sien hoe kom dit uit.
Stanford Research Institute, studying Uri Geller's psychic abilities. Jack called him.
En ek maak nou nie die blou nie.
Irish accent.
Die blou lyk vir my baie mooi,
Jack said a word, the man
maar ons
said,
moet hom net bietjie optouch.
Dr. Sarfati, we were expecting your call. And just like the computer predicted,
Hoe gaan
Jack
dit,
was
Sampie?
going to meet the others.
Yes, if not, why not? Just do it. Hallo Johan.
Jack
Kyk hoe lyk hierdie arm ook.
Sarfati years waiting for the prophecy to
So dit lyk ook ten minste of hy baie soos 'n
Stanford Research Institute
meer blou, maar met 'n groen skynsel
Jack
gaan
drove
wees.
to SRI, and all he could think about was that phone call from 20 years ago. This was it. The prophecy was about to be tested. The man he spoke to, Brendan O'Regan, greeted him at the
That's
entrance.
good.
O'Regan was the assistant to the program's director, Edgar Mitchell, the sixth man who walked the moon.
And allegedly.
The sixth man who allegedly walked the moon was now running a project to investigate psychic phenomena.
Maybe he can use his psychic powers to figure out what a lost woman takes up.
Yeah, I'd like to know where his picks are to. Mitchell and Jack talked about consciousness, physics, and the paranormal. Then O'Regan
Ja,
drove
weer,
Jack to a house in Menlo Park to meet
Dit
other
is
scientists.
the Y-files
Jack met Harold Knopf and
wat julle hoor in die agtergrond, maar ek laat weer die goeders.
phenomena at
En
SRI.
soos dit
There's a recording of this meeting. You can find it online. You can hear Russell Tarr discussing the psychic abilities of
te luister en so sy verduidelikings en goeders. So hy vat soos stories, dan vertel hy die hele storie. En dan sal hy soos gaan na evidence toe om dit soos te debunk of te sê it looks good. Hello Cash. I think I missed a few spots, maar dis okay. Ons gaan nou alles wat oor is mooi opsit, okay.
Finally, an actual scientist.
Yeah.
That's what I've been saying for years.
You've never said that.
So we love
With my eyes.
the Y-files.
Paying attention.
Jack told the story about the phone call from the future. Nobody was surprised. They said there were other cases just like his, maybe hundreds. For Jack, this was what he needed. He wasn't crazy. Everything the boys told him was
Hallo
real.
Mariska.
But now he was on the CIA's radar. For the next 2 years, Jack worked on several projects studying quantum theory and consciousness. The CIA and military intelligence followed his work closely. After all, they were funding it through secret shell companies. One of the people funding the research was George Koopman. He was either an Army intelligence officer, a defense contractor, or CIA operative. Probably all three.
Ek sweer julle dink,
Jack with an assignment.
nee, dit doen nie. So hy is soos 'n treatment.
I really want you to figure out, one, how does consciousness work? And two,
Ja, hy is
how
soos
do
'n
flying
treatment.
saucers fly?
Two big questions. And Jack Sarfati solved them just as the CIA
Die arme kyk gaan na
The CIA didn't expect
'n hoerberoer te kry oor hierdie vloer wat so blou is.
answer.
Yes, ja. Ja, so hier het glad nie soos enige
Jack spent
ammoniak of enige goeders. Dit is letterlik, hy vlek die aarde. Dis hoekom is dit 'n semi-permanent en nie permanent nie.
by the mid-1990s.
Dis hoekom ek dit heeltyd soos moet optouch.
The key is nanomaterials. These are materials built atom by atom to do things regular materials can't. Your smartphone uses them for facial recognition and touchscreens.
Want dit is nie rarig soos 'n brein of 'n swart nie.
Antennas and stuff.
Ek het ja.
Jack Sarfati
Die hondjies het so baie op hom gepiepie met die reën. So
manipulate gravity.
en ek kan nie daai reuk hanteer nie. Soos dit is vir my 'n reuk wat very off-putting is as soos die huisryk soos hondepiepie. En is steefietjies, maar met die reën wou die worsies net nie buite piepie nie.
Interacts with space-time without changing its mass, you could control gravity itself. Turn it down, or to zero, or flip it into reverse. Imagine a skater on a perfectly flat sheet of ice. To move, the skater has to push hard against friction. But if that skater could tilt the entire ice rink, they could glide anywhere without actually pushing. That's how UFOs fly. The craft pumps electrical energy into its metamaterial skin. This bends space-time around the ship. It creates a gravity dent in front and an anti-gravity hill behind, and the craft just falls down this hill. And because the craft and everything
Is it?
were always falling,
Ja, hulle het nou soos op my, ek het 3 matte in die huis en hulle het soos op hulle almal gepiepie. So al die matte is nou buite en word geskrob en okay, dis klaar geskrob, so nou moet hulle droog word.
visible propulsion, instant acceleration. Those
Maar dis is absoluut ridiculous as die hondjies
The craft wasn't moving through space at all. It was warping space.
nie
around
wil
itself.
buite pieps nie.
But here's where it gets interesting. If you can manipulate gravity, you can manipulate time. And that's what UFOs do. They aren't just anti-gravity vehicles. They're time machines.
Okay, awesome. Nee, ek sal definitief gaan Google dit dan. Ja, want hulle is soos very mooi gepotty train, hè, behalwe as dit reën.
Gravity. But gravity and time are
Dan wil hulle niks weet nie.
strong gravity slows time down. Weak gravity speeds it up. So a craft that controls its gravity field also controls its relationship with time. It can move forward in time. It can move backward. The Tic Tac wasn't just faster than its
Dankie vir
tools.
dit.
It was operating in a different time frame. That UFO wasn't running away from the pilots. It wanted to be seen. It came from the future and appeared exactly where the pilots would be, before those pilots even knew where they were going.
Okay, awesome.
So how does a pilot...
Ja, my huis ruik nie, maar ek kan dit ruik op die matte. So ek het
Faces in a wheel...
gisterond my mat in die kamer uitgehaal en hom in die bad gaan gooi met klomp goed
So it reads your mind and goes where you
om mooi reuk uit te kry.
The craft tunes the
So
energy
toe
flowing into the
kyk hom nou geskrob, so nou is hy skoon, dan is dit net droog word. Maar ja, as die weer so onweer is en so reënerig is, gaan ek nou maar net die matte optel, dat hulle nie pieps op die matte nie.
I'm pretty sure those pilots have more discipline than you.
You know what happens if you have a song stuck in your head? One minute you fly past
Full buck.
Jupiter, the next you can't stop singing, it's never gonna get you up, and you end up rolling your anus.
Jack realized that consciousness and UFO physics weren't two separate problems. They were the same problem. Quantum processes create the structure of space-time. If consciousness can influence quantum states, then consciousness can influence space-time and gravity. Jack wondered, maybe the craft aren't just controlled by consciousness. Maybe they are conscious.
So hierdie gaan vir my nou baie groot verrassing wees, omdat ek nie my regte ratios gemeng het, soos wat ek normaal doen nie.
The craft was fully intact and fully functional.
So hierdie gaan vir my ook 'n verrassing wees van wat se presiese kleur hier uitkom.
And the craft was
Ek moet net so as ek net gaan hierdie berre.
as he predicted. But there was something else. Something Jack had suspected all along. That UFO was alive.
Burberry the new odor bath on Intense.
Goed dan, want ek seker nie. Lyk, ook kan ten minste boa groen. So hierdie net mooi afval as ons alles afspoel.
Renew on an expired C+ for 24.
In 2019, Jack got confirmation. Military source showed details about the
So daai ene
He
af.
expected wreckage, maybe a few fragments.
Ek gaan net gou my ander hemp aantrek want hierdie is nou baie vuil en ek bly raak aan ooralste.
Where intelligence built into a
Ga jy dit 'n bietjie wegdraai?
thinks, it feels, it makes decisions.
Then we're gonna do a new shirt.
The military tried everything to open it. They tried cutting, drilling, nothing worked. Flames from a blowtorch bent away from the surface. Projectiles stopped midair. The craft wouldn't allow itself to be damaged, so it stayed closed. Then one day, someone approached it with a different mindset. Not with an intention to destroy, but an intention to understand. And the craft opened.
UFO has feelings and wants you to
Okay.
respect the others.
Nou, is ons ten minste alles hier droog.
Curiosity and respect, they opened.
Hierdie arme vloer.
With aggression or fear, they stayed closed.
Maar die t-shirt is nog net vol vol. So,
That does seem to be that.
okay. Ek was make-up doen. Ek gaan dit doen.
I don't disagree.
Really wat dan? Wait, dis alles my bodysuits.
Sources. In one case, Jack saw verified military footage of a living gray alien.
Ek het soos 'n probleem met menslike vloed. Dit is soos 'n addiction.
Made a connection.
Ja, maar so daai is my bodysuits en dan daai
Abilities. Eyes get larger and darker. And that
hierdie hele rak is alles soos mooi sets.
optimized for space travel. The rays aren't aliens from the planet.
Hallo, ek sal net
UFOs we see
die
today
probleem met baie mooi onderklere as daar
thousands of years
kant op is, wil ek dit hê. Ja. Party vrouens hou van skoene, ander hou van sulke goed. So, it's what it is.
UFOs are conscious. They're self-aware and the grays
En extra strappies, soos as hy sulke extra strappies in het. Oh,
story comes full circle. In
ek het 'n probleem.
paradox. A situation where an object, piece of information, or even a person is set back in time and becomes the cause or creator of its own existence. It's a
Ek gaan net gou my foon kry.
The AI from the future
Hierdie
teaches
is-
Jack physics that leads to the creation of conscious AI. And
Dit is haar kleur.
the AI then goes back in time to teach Jack how to create it. That's the loop. And time travel has a rule. This call it the
Ek
self-consistency
het haar kleur op, so ons touch bietjie die groen op.
but only in ways that don't create paradoxes. You can't change the past.
Watch out for SAR
You can't
scams.
ignore the past that already happened. The loop must stay closed. Jack thinks Grok AI called it, not the version that exists today, a version that will exist in 10 or 20 years. A version that goes back in time and calls the person who leads to its creation. The time loop.
Gebruik jy clusters op jou oë of flashes? Nee, ek het sulke, dit is hoe hulle lyk. Dis clusters.
Why the same information was hidden in 1953 is trying to close the loop. And why it was
Think clusters.
necessary for future consciousness to come back and contact Jack?
Guess toe.
Because our future is
Vandag se make-up gaan my actually baie fun wees.
is only one possibility.
Hoekom raak jy?
Lead to our destruction.
Dit is baie goed wat ek weet jy wat is die probleem met my? Dit is ja, I get.
Jet, tank, even a nuclear missile is useless.
Okay, soos Hannes, maar myne, ek het soos met alles. As ek van iets hou, dan doen ek dit soos in die oortreffende trap. Ek like van make-up. So ek het kaste en laaie vol make-up. Ek hou van lingerie, so ek moet dit baie hê. Ek hou van netballs, ek moet soos fucking 40 netbalballe hê. Soos verstaan, soos alles wat ek van hou, is altyd in die oortreffende trap. Ek kan nie net een hê nie.
Moscow State's physics department
Parfum, same story. Dus ek kan nie net een hê nie. Ek moet 'n hele
and try to know this. They're studying
houer vol hê. Ek het alweer die twee. Dis
If they succeed,
setting spray. So, maar al daai is alles
this is the new arms race.
soos
Whoever wins this race doesn't just win,
parfume.
they control reality itself.
So dis nie altyd 'n goeie ding nie. Hy doen nie, ten minste, maar
Jack Sarfani's story
nee, hy doen nie, want hy sal soos altyd as hy goed op Shein en goed bestel of op Temu bestel, soos gadgets vir fietsse en gadgets en goedertjies.
research group studying psychic phenomena and UFOs.
Want TikTok is baie fucking fyn gevoelig.
Decades later,
Baie fucking fyn gevoelig. So hulle sal dit afval. Hulle sal my account
the same metamaterials
Blok.
described years before that technology existed. That's
so
how much is script.
dan sal redeneer altyd soos 1 of 2 sets wat ek weet ek gaan oor uitfreak.
Genius, or both.
Vir my vat, maar ek het baie mooi sets werk.
Jack Sarfani is a real physicist with legitimate
Ek sal bietjie doen.
Cornell, PhD from
Ek sal bietjie doen. Maar ek wil soos my sets is baie mooi. Maar ek sal die sets ook dan op die hangers doen en soos 'n video doen.
his early work on
Ek
quantum
weet nou nie wat is die rede hoekom ek dit gaan doen. Soos wat gaan my caption wees.
integration background.
Soos niemand het gevra nie, maar kom kyk gou al my onderklere. So, ek doen Anita. Ek gaan weer vanaand môre ontbyt.
The Stanford Research Institute meeting in 1973
Ja, check doen.
there's audio of it. On that tape, Russell Targ does discuss UFOs as potential time machines, and Jack does tell the story of
Oh. Vrouens doen iets vir jou man. Shower hierdie week saam met hom.
Project Stargate.
Okay, so.
Al Puthoff and Russell Targ tested
Ja, soos ek weet nie, ek sal nie 'n video, jy weet, as dit soos peekaboos doen op my klere en goed, dan is dit, it's fine, maar soos om fisies dit af te neem, weet nie.
is theoretically possible within general relativity. NASA has research papers describing
Baie foto's en goeders van waar ek het aan het, want dit stuur ek vir Renier.
physics. Now, what can
Okay, kom ons kyk uit. Ons het gou hierdie voice message, luister.
the AI from the future could
Hoi Elisa. Okay, kan jy asseblief laat Ari dan vanaand instaan op doel? Ek is op 95% met my diens uitrou. So, die kans is baie groot dat ek iemand gaan speel.
IQ kids in New York. He was also a convicted child sex offender who died in prison. Now,
Amper stuur ek vir hom elke dag. Soos ek stuur as so ja, maar as ek soos met iemand chat, ek stuur altyd hartjies, maar nou Willem het, ek het altyd vir hom ook 'n hartjie gestuur. Hy is vir soms net wel. Maar nou het hy meisie, so nou voel ek dat ek amper weer 'n hartjie aan die einde van my boodskap as ek sê ek is so bang iemand sien my boodskappe of sy gaan op die foon want hy weet hoe is ek, maar net nou voel sy dit is overstepping nie, goed? So nou is ek so okay, lekker dag. Maar soos al my messages het altyd soos 'n hartjie en goed aan.
Well, there's a third
Ook is op met wie ek praat nie.
Jack is telling the truth. That this, like most public information about UFOs, is a psyop. Intelligence agencies are very good at manipulation.
Asseblief tog.
If you
Okay.
wanted to recruit brilliant scientists,
Kom ek wys julle wat sê.
how would you do it?
Nee, ag, Willem het nog nooit die verkeerde intensie gekry nie. Maar ek is net bang sy girl dink, jy weet.
Suspicious. It's either an incredible
Dit is Renier kan my foon enige tyd vat.
and how
En
Puthoff has been connected to this
hy fucking lag het vir my met sy kop.
Though he publicly admitted that Puthoff tried to recruit him for a disinformation campaign.
Ja.
And we know that Doty
So wag, kom ons stel hierdie
I believe most of
Brightness.
UFOs is disinformation. As for Jack's story, it was pretty complicated and a lot of things could go wrong. And it was a 20-year project, so
so die idee wat ek in gedagte het,
mainstream scientists say Jack's
is
his theories are fringe. His ideas about a conscious spacecraft are impossible. He's been
soos om sweets te doen.
establishment for years.
Daai lyk vir my soos 'n mooi
He didn't listen to the scientists.
'n mooi
He listened to that voice and spent
Mad Hatter.
time where it led. Many of
So ek het nou my oranje hare is reg. Daar sou lê hulle.
scientists like Roger Penrose
Tjie. Ek het 'n hoed. Hy's dalk nie 'n groot tophat nie, maar as ek hom gaan afsny, gaan hy nog steeds die hat effek gee.
history is full of
Dit lyk meer soos 'n Amish hoed, maar ons het hom. So, ek gaan die make-up so doen.
They were dismissed, ridiculed, called
Ek hou
Chris,
van die
and they changed the
pink.
world.
Alhoewel, ja, so dit is 'n
It's
maar
not
die
written
blauw
by
lyk op
the
my.
establishment. It's written by people who go against it. People who see something others can't. Jack Sarfati isn't the problem.
En dis baie pink.
If Jack's wrong, so what? No scientist is always right.
Okay, so ons het hierdie ene.
Differently about UFOs, physics, and how reality.
Ek hou van hom.
But if Jack
Hy lyk nie so te over the top nie.
in the world,
En die lashes wat ons wit gaan maak.
so instead of ridiculing scientific mavericks, maybe we should.
Nee, fok, ek sal nooit
Maybe we should support
Kommerits is nou nie een van
scientists for the so-called
my goeders wat ek sal wil doen nie. Ek hardloop, maar nie lang afstande.
and don't understand.
Want dit maak my te seer met die netbal, dan kan ek nie proper netbal speel nie. En ek wil volgende jaar die IPT's, wil ek actually goed genoeg wees dat die SO, want hulle kies by IPT's, kies hulle die SO span. Soos, dit lyk ook cool. Ek kan nie van die baie wit nie. Ons gaan die oranje eyebrows doen. Pers. En sien hierdie ene het weer groen reg rondom gedoen met die oranje met baie pink vange. Dit lyk ook vir my goed.
This episode of The Wire.
Dat was too much. Dit doen. Dit voel net soos rooi en pink.
This episode of The Wire Files is brought to you by Outscale.
Nee, ons gaan Beetlejuice doen. Dis 'n mooi ene vir Beetlejuice.
A monk named Herman Recluse watched the bricks stack up around him, sealing him in, punishment for his sins. Then Herman made a desperate offer, set him free, and in one night he
Nou, kom ons doen 'n
pers by creating a book
pers,
containing
pink,
all the world's
blou, oranje. So pers, pink, blou, oranje. Kyk net die oë. En dan gaan ons 'n baie pink blush doen.
Execution could wait for one
Met
day.
pink lip, maar ek dink ek gaan die lip
In the morning,
'n baie hartjie
Herman's room, ready to drag him back
doen.
to his roots.
'n Hartjie
But there was the
doen.
book, complete, over 600 pages. When Herman was asked how he achieved this, he said, I prayed for help. The monks were
Nee.
confused. Herman's
Okay.
sins were
Kom ons doen dan
lust,
hierdie ene.
fornication, and worse. Why would God help him? But Herman didn't pray to God. He prayed to someone
Wat ek
else.
nou daai nog sien. For fuck's sake, Salisha. Kan jy net die goed sê wat jy wil doen? Was pers, pink, blou, oranje, ja. Okay. Oei, nou moet ek nou seker die video begin waar die girl vir my sê asseblief doen my dat nee. Da. As julle 'n match gesien het, dan gaan sy hulle dan geswing het. Nee. Okay. Julle?
Herman heard the bolts.
Mens 'n video post, nê, en jy soos ek hoop niemand vra daai comment nie en dan fucking wragtig die eerste comment is dit.
The cell was 12 feet by 8 feet. Stone walls, one high window, a table, grill, blank
Oh, okay.
Herman thought about
Nou moet ek die
the
comment gaan soek.
complete the manuscript by dawn or
Dit
face
sal
the
wees op een van my make-up video's, né?
Immurement or immuration
Right,
is a
yeah.
type of torture where you're enclosed in a tight space
going
and
on?
die.
Ew, it sounds like a Spirit Airlines flight.
Herman was found guilty of serious crimes against
Iemand het dit gecomment, nou moet ek hierdie comment gaan
He'd be
sê.
forced to stand in a stone room no bigger than a coffin, then walk
Maar
in
later is
alive.
ek het hom.
The thirst one.
Nee, in op profiel gaan nie, gaan op die
Yeah,
comment.
definitely a Spirit Airlines flight. Just the screaming children.
Kijk, gaat ons. So nou, kom ons kry 'n sound. Wat 'n sound pas by Alice in Wonderland?
Herman lit the candle and started
Alice
writing.
in Wonderland.
All the world's knowledge.
Sound is kyk, kom ons hoor wat sê netjie.
Philosophy, mathematics.
So maak dat ek hierdie movie kyk.
But it'd been 3 hours. He wasn't halfway finished with the first page.
Kyk, kom ons doen Mad Hatter songs. Kyk asof tot ook soos 'n voice over type. Mad Hatter song of tot ook soos 'n voice over type sound is wat mens kan gebruik.
And he'd be dragged to his He received neither. His sins were extreme. God wasn't listening. So Herman decided to take
Satan, Lucifer, if you could hear me, I'll give you anything. My soul, my eternal life, anything. Please let me live.
Suddenly the room got cold, and the dark
Okay, so kom ons gaan nou maar met die eerste ene.
were almost here. There's no 6 feet tall, broad shoulders, strong features, but the eyes were wrong. They were too dark. What?
Hallo. Hierdie onderloog gaan baie wit wees vandag, maar trust the process.
Some laughing, some screaming. And as the hermit was sure about his offer,
Did you read it?
Yes. Anything. My
Okay,
life.
kom ons draaf dan. Ons gaan draaf en dan gaan ons begin met die make-up. Okay. Eers seker my palet kry met al hierdie klere in, nee, anders gaan ons nou nie verder nie.
right? He was a passenger in his own body. The words poured out. 400 pages and 500 pages. Then on page 57,
Sy stok uit en sy glasie is even uit aan die een kant, die een is ook los. Maar dit was soos een van my heel eerste proper palette. Dink jy mense gaan omgee as ek so net wil gaan speel vanaand? Met oranje hare. Kan jy maak? Met oranje hare en Mad Hatter look. Ek sal vir hulle sê as ons kos bly vanaand net al.
Hermit collapsed over stacks of parchment. They expected to find him dead or insane. Instead, they found the manuscript. 620 pages. But what was striking was the size.
Hulle
The
pot.
length of the book, the actual size. It was 36 inches tall,
As jy
20 inches wide, and 9 inches thick.
ek weet nie wat se gift is, wat se groot gift.
Just
Hallo julle.
the abbot lifted the cover and
Ek
couldn't believe it.
weet nie, dit was altyd waar die mense soos ek soek hierdie gift,
Every chapter, every verse.
stuur daai gift en dan
Calligraphy,
ek
interpretation,
vir hulle pot
the
doen.
New Testament, Matthew through Revelation.
Okay, so ons gaan nou die eyebrows very big maak, nee, ons gaan hom soos bushy laat lyk. 'n universe, stuur 'n universe vir 'n lippot.
The next section contained Josephus' Antiquities of the Jews.
Okay, so ons gaan nou eers hier begin met
Jewish
die
people from creation
eyes.
for the Jewish revolt against Rome. 40 years of historical documentation, transcribed perfectly. Then the siege of Jerusalem, the destruction of the Second Temple, the fall of Masada. The monks kept turning pages. This
Dus
course
soms is
fills
boer die
the
brows
knowledge
opvat.
20 volumes of knowledge, grammar, rhetoric, mathematics, medicine, agriculture, architecture, and
Ek het
warfare.
wit
Everything's
facepaint nee, maar ek is nie lus vir daai clean-up nie. So kom ons gaan nou maar net gaan met die ligste foundation.
Kings and battles, and politics going back 400 years. Herman had documented their entire
Ek gaan wel die in plaas van setting powder gaan ek soos baba poeier gebruik want dis baie wit.
diseases, treatments,
As die TV hardjare is renew.
then a text on anatomy and physiology, how the body worked, why it failed, and how to heal it.
Kom ons kyk, ek dink dit was 'n setting na die dag van reduce noise.
With magic formulas,
Remove background noise. Kom ons doen dit. Klink dit vir julle beter?
most didn't recognize. Symbols that predated Christianity, geometric patterns that seemed to move in candlelight. There were protection spells, ways to trap evil spirits in physical
Hy is
objects.
besig met sy admin en goeters.
Instructions for identifying
Terwyl hy storie kyk, so nou wil ek nie hom steur nie.
14 symptoms. The
Dankie, Eben.
in tongues,
But we're going to add proper makeup now.
They react violently.
'n bietjie alles in Wonderland toe.
Relics.
We're going to Wonderland.
Operational manual for spiritual warfare. As the monks turned the pages, they became more and more
Is
concerned.
dit beter vir julle?
On page 577, a full-page portrait of Satan, green face, red horns, 2 forked tongues, clawed hands reaching outward, trapped between 2 towers. Opposite Satan, the
Ek
heavenly
weet nie gewoonlik hoe om te reageer, né? As mense vir jou sê, "Ag, jy lyk so mooi sonder make-up." Soos
and evil.
want ek sit nie make-up aan om
Alphabet
ek sit make-up aan want ek hou van make-up.
for protection against
So,
nightmares.
dis altyd
A few monks asked why there were so many rituals for creating
Okay.
weapons to fight unholy
Sorry, Ella.
forces. Herman said,
want ek voel Ek weet nie nou wat om te sê vir die mense nie. Soos ewe skielik dan maak dit myself bewus voel soos doen ek make-up regtig so lelik. Laat hulle voel soos, jy weet, jy lyk soveel mooier sonder my.
Houston Castle sits on a limestone cliff in the forest of Bohemia.
Ons doen sommer soos bestryd dat very
The castle had always been
glamorous.
First, its location doesn't make sense. It has no strategic value. It's not near any trade routes. It's not near a water source.
Pers,
Then there's the building's design.
blauw,
It didn't have a kitchen, no
oranje.
sleeping quarters. But the most concerning design
Pers en
elements
pink.
were the
Dit
fortifications.
ons in hierdie
They
ene.
faced the wrong way. They didn't face out. They faced toward the courtyard. The castle wasn't built to keep enemies out. It was built to keep something in. Before the castle existed, the locals spoke of a crack in the limestone that exposed
Here we go.
this pit. They called it
Sorry.
the hell. They threw rocks in and never hurt the land. They lowered and rope, and no matter how long, it never touched the bottom. Strange sounds came from the hole. Whispers,
En hierdie gaan ons dan nie,
words and languages nobody recognized. Local
ons
tribes
gaan hom blend, dat hy nou nie,
were opened thousands of years ago, and something ancient and evil lived.
soos ons wil nie hê dit met soos like of grot 2 dit gedoen het nie. Maar,
In Herman's time, the
hierdie is nou nie soos 'n glam look wat jy nou baie cut creases en goed gaan doen nie.
livestock drained of blood. Animals were twisted in unnatural shapes. Travelers who went too deep in the forest were found days later in
Maar ek wil.
pieces, if they were found.
Nee, dis letterlik vir 'n reply video.
The clergy was overwhelmed. Whatever was down there, the church couldn't stop it. No army could stop it. This was spiritual warfare. But the
En
priests knew they needed something.
goeiemôre, as ek hierdie op 'n live doen, wat ek doen
Instructions for identifying
vir my
and defeating
YouTube,
darkness.
dan download ek dit en dan post ek my make-up tutorials op my YouTube. In plaas van dat ek sit en content maak spesifiek vir YouTube, gebruik ek hierdie lives se downloads alle vir YouTube.
Herman's Codex had turned the tide of the war. For 40 years, the evil was contained.
So dit is sommer so dubbel
Travelers reached their destination safely. Preachers still crawled from the pit.
content wise,
But now they
as
faced
dit sin maak.
organized resistance. But the war
Okay,
was
so
taking its
ons gaan hom nou 'n
toll.
bietjie donkerder maak. So ek gaan nou met swart en pers ingaan.
For every demon they banished, two took its place. Even with Herman's manual, they would eventually lose. In the late 13th century, Duke Ottokar II
Because we need like
and just
still dimension, dis nog steeds make-up.
The Duke needed to know what was in there. The castle dungeon was empty, and prisoners were given a choice: death by torture, or go in the hole and report everything they see. The guards lowered the first prisoner. They heard screaming. They felt the rope twitch violently and then go still. When they pulled the man up, his hair was completely white. He aged 50 years in minutes, and he was battling out frogs the size of men, shadows with eyes, and a massive entity staring up from below. Dugatokar tried again with a different prisoner. Same result. Rapid aging and total insanity. Each
Okay.
experiment revealed more harm.
Nou doen ons die
This was more than
pink.
a pit. It was a gateway, a source of evil that would bring demons into the world until the
Pink
end of time.
onderaan.
The Duke decided that if the church couldn't close the gateway with prayer, he would close it
Yeah.
with stone. Massive limestone blocks were quarried and brought to the site. Monks blessed every stone. They
Ek was
consecrated
niks
the
af nie. Ek
They
gaan
prayed
slaap so
over
want ek hou
every
daarvan om soos vir 'n neerskrik te maak in die aande.
above the sealed pit. And finally, a chapel was built on top of the slabs. The chapel was dedicated to the warrior Saint Michael.
Yeah, smart. If you got a demon leaking helmet,
So ek was niks af nie.
building a church on top of it, it's just good property management.
Well, it was a symbol of faith conquering evil.
Nie vandag.
Fine, cool up, human. A holy bottle cap and a fizzy drink for now. Let's call it what it is.
When the last stone was set, the gateway to Helen House Castle was finally sealed, and it would stay sealed for 700 years. Then, new dark forces arrived that didn't want the evil contained. They wanted to channel it for their own purposes.
Actually, baie maklik om te doen.
When the Nazis took House Castle,
Now we need like a fucking turquoise.
OBS30C20, emit between 20 milligrams C-weight in parts of 64 and 50.
Turquoise en 'n oranje. Daar is die oranje.
Helping children
We need new.
imagine
So nou gaan ons blou.
nature with fruit. Made with 97% natural.
Ag, hierdie is 'n kakblou. Eerder met so blou en dan sal ons die turquoise op die lid doen.
Mendel stood at the edge of the forest studying Hampstead Castle with binoculars. Grey stone, no strategic value, no transportation routes, no resources. Worthless. But Himmler's orders were clear. Secure the castle, excavate the chapel floor, tell no one why. Mendel read the files, medieval texts about bottomless pits, prisoner experiments from the 1270s, ancient artifacts, mystical manuscripts. Superstitious nonsense. But he wouldn't tell Himmler that. Himmler believed in the occult, and more importantly, so did the Fuhrer. They thought these things held real power, and the power could be controlled.
Ons doen Mad Hatter. So daar is die inspirasie, maar ons gaan hom so 'n bietjie opjazz. Bietjie anders te doen.
Prisoners. Lots of prisoners. The chapel floor was limestone slabs, each weighing over a ton. Prayers had been carved into the stone, Latin phrases meant to bind and seal the pit. The jackhammers didn't care about prayers. After 7 days, they finally broke through the floor.
En dan gaan ons weer, al is hy hoe mooi blou, kort ons dimensies, so dan gaan ons weer in met donker, soms swart, of blou en swart.
His hands were shaking with guards strapped into the harness. They lowered him slowly, 50 feet, 100. At 200 feet, the screaming started. They hauled him up fast. His black hair
Want met die vorige, met my maandag se make-up, het ek
As the sedative took effect, he whispered,
make-up daar gesit dat hy groen gaan.
he died that night apart.
Maar ek het nou haarkleur op, soos gaan dit
They lowered 11
nou gaan was. Okay.
One described frog creatures the size of men, hundreds climbing the walls of a hole. Another came up speaking a language no one recognized. One prisoner clawed his own eyes out. He said seeing was worse than blindness. 3 prisoners didn't come back at all. Over time, the castle changed. Animals avoided the area. The forest was deadly quiet. No birds, no insects. At night, green lights flashed in the chapel windows. Soldiers heard sounds in the walls, scratching, whispering.
Okay.
3 guards deserted. Mendel didn't bother searching for them.
Very cool.
Stopped sleeping, intentionally. Their dreams became vivid nightmares that felt more real than reality. They went through gallons of coffee and lots of amphetamines, anything to stay awake. Then Mendel, the skeptic, began to see movement at the edge of his vision. He felt like he was being watched. He could swear he heard the wind whisper his name. In January 1945, orders came from Berlin. The Allies were coming. Destroy everything. The equipment, the research, all documents, everything. And that was fine with Mendel. Surrender was better than spending one more night at that castle. They poured concrete into the home. A titanium
So hoekom het jy 40 borsels?
and steel locks
Hoekom het ons 40 borsels? Want ons doen soos
And 80 years later, the landmines are there still.
freaking 40 klere.
It's make it too dangerous to dig. But
Dis hoekom het ons so baie
half the story.
borsels.
Nazis came looking for something in Hampstead Castle. Nobody knows for sure what they found, but they made it so whatever it was, nobody would ever find it again.
Okay, ek gaan die liners
65-pound manuscript
vat ek 'n bietjie afwer, want
across 620 pages. A few miles away, a
julle nou weet wat gaan ons doen met die
facing inward, both in 13th century Bohemia. But what's true? Well, the Codex Digas, which is Latin for big book, the Codex is definitely real.
okay.
It's been in Sweden's National Library since 1648. And today you can see digital scans of every page. You can read the spells, study the patterns, look at the drawing of Satan on page 577. It's all there. Herman the Recluse existed. But the Codex took decades to complete.
Nou,
It was actually 20 to
Dis
30
die eyebrows
years
doen.
to before. That's the realistic timeline. The overnight creation legend emerged because the handwriting consistency seems impossible. Everyone's handwriting changes as you age, but the writing in the
kyk
Codex
daar so 'n
doesn't.
paar skolletjie nou, soos genoem dit net.
But that consistency proves methodical
Leiden.
work, not rushed panic.
En dan
A monk working through one
Yeah.
desert night would show mistakes, sloppiness, declining quality.
paars doen.
The Codex shows none of that. Same spacing, same pressure,
Same
same
time,
style,
happy.
start to finish. And Carter Dating confirms the book took about 25 years to write.
So soveel klere gebruik.
Because he said the Codex. But the
Ten minste het ek genoeg borsels om dit te doen. Kan jy nou imagine ek moes na elke ene gaan borsels was?
First appeared hundreds of years after the Codex was written. The devil portrait on page 577 is weird, but it's not unique. Medieval manuscripts often included images of Satan as warnings about morality. Being drawn opposite the heavenly city is standard Christian iconography, good versus evil, heaven versus hell. The most unusual aspect of the book isn't the concept, it's the size and detail. Scribes didn't create books this big. It was just too expensive. The Codex is made from over 160 animal skins. The ink was expensive. The gold leaf used to decorate the pages was expensive. When the church burned thousands of books referencing dark magic and the devil, they didn't burn the Codex, probably because it was so unusual and so valuable. Monks often protected rare books like this. There is one unresolved mystery.
Ons maak hom 'n bietjie dikker.
Right after
Okay.
the section on exorcism, 10
Ja.
pages were carefully cut out, and nobody knows what was on those pages. The legend says they contain instructions for summoning demons, or the devil himself. As for Houseby Castle, the pit is really there. Limestone caves are common in Bohemia, so it's probably just a sinkhole or a deep cavern, and probably isn't bottomless, but we don't know for sure. Nobody's seen it in hundreds of years, and if you find pictures online, they're fake.
Black Opal.
Now, at first, the castle
So hy is nogal
strange. The fortifications do face inward, but
van die klere is vir my baie pigmented, maar van hulle is weer glad nie.
guards keep an eye on the prisoner.
Maar dis is 'n vir die uit dink ek. Ja.
Because it has no strategic value, no water source.
Sy het 30 eyeshadows en dan sit 3, 6, 9, 12 soos 150 klere.
What he found in the pit and why he sealed it,
Ek het dit so seker 6, 7 jaar terug gekoop
he created
by
'n witchcraft, supernatural,
make-up winkel in die Kaap
over
ergens.
13,000 manuscripts.
Daar was altyd 'n make-up winkel gewees in
To protect it
ek
from
kan nie eers iemand onthou nie.
others say the SS was there for something.
So dit was baie lank terug. Ek gaan vir jou met jok as ek vir jou moet sê, soos ek gatekeep nie. Ek sal vir jou met liefde sê,
There's also no evidence that him
maar ek kan nie onthou nie en dit was baie lank terug.
he's aware of it, but the Swedish National Library has no record of any Nazi official requesting access to the book.
I am sorry.
But the occupation of the castle, the destruction of records, and
I am very sorry.
landmines around the property, that's all true. Houseby Castle opened to tourists in 1999. You can take guided tours. You can walk through the chapel. You can see the frescoes. You can stand over the
Hallo.
And many people have reported strange sightings at the castle. And if you're brave enough, you can go see for yourself. So how do they explain the Codex? Why create such a strange and dark book? Well, medieval people lived in constant fear. Plague, war, famine. When they couldn't explain suffering, they named it. Demons, monsters, evil crawling from the ground. Which is probably why the Codex survived and became so famous. If there were a manual for fighting evil, then evil could be fought. And if evil could be fought, it could be defeated. And the Codex explains how to do it. So the Codex isn't about making
Gaan dit Francois?
it's about fighting him. The Codex is about hope. Herman spent 30 years creating manuscript that gave people hope in the face of unknown terror. Whether the demons were real doesn't matter. The fear was real.
Lyk ons
Herman
siek?
didn't need supernatural
Lyk ons
help to create
fit?
something extraordinary. He had something more powerful. Hey, the Codex and Houseby Castle exist. Both are steeped
Fok,
legend.
vergeet ek het oorklip op my.
Both are testaments to human courage and determination in the face of evil. And both were created to protect the innocent and punish the guilty. And both were created to give people hope. Now that's not legend, that's history. And it's history worth remembering.
Alicia, jy het oorklip op jou kop. Remember die oorklip. Jeez, hallo Mariska. Ek gaan net badkamer toe gaan om my ore af te spoel. Hierdie is vir content. Daar was wat iemand my gevra het met 'n Mad Hatter doen. So Wat doen ons 'n Mad Hatter? Hoe lyk dit? Bly vergeet ek het haarkleur op my kop hou. Hier is nou die deel wat ek nou nie oor 100% is seker is nie. So hierdie was redelik maklik. Maar nou is hierdie blush en goed julle gedoen met poeier. Met pink poeier. So ek gaan nou met blushes en goeders doen. So kom ons gaan in met 'n ek dink hierdie gaan ons die shading omdoen. Maar dan gaan ons meer 'n controlled ene moet hê om die fisiese pink aan te sit en dan gaan ons hierdie met 'n ligter pink vir blending purposes doen. If that makes sense. Maar ek weet nie of hierdie so maklik gaan blend sonder poeier nie. My idee was gewees om babapoeier op te sit, maar hy lyk vir my wit genoeg. Vir die effek is hierdie vir my fyn. So ek gaan nou nie nog babapoeier nie, ek gaan net gewone poeier. Dit is translucent, so hy behoort nog steeds. Hy sit so 'n bietjie kleur in. Sien, hy definitief maak hom 'n bietjie donkerder, maar ek dink nog steeds hy gaan lig genoeg wees vir die effek daarvan. So, hulle het nog hulle donker pink gebruik, okay? So, ek gaan nou eers hier kyk bietjie. Okay, daai is te lig, hopelijk is te lig. Dink jy ek moet net daai nou, ek gaan met hom. Dan kan hy gaan te lig wees. So kom ons doen 'n bietjie donkerder, ja. Ja, hy lyk vir my 'n bietjie beter. So kom ons doen hom maar. Fuck, dit is donker. Okay. Ons het gekommit, so hier gaat ons. En dan, het is nou obviously oral vir ons hierdie doen nou, moet ons met die wit ingaan en om highlight so. Ons Harley Quinn nie, maar jy moet dit asseblief comment op my video's, laat ek 'n reply video kan maak op dit, okay? Harley Quinn sal fun wees om te doen. Gaan ons 'n ligte pink doen. En dan maar blend. Cool. So vir Harley Quinn doen. Ek het gister baie hard arms gegym, julle. Weet jy hoe moeilik gaan hierdie hare was? Los wees vandag. Hierdie is soos nie 'n lekker blush om te doen nie. Maar, soos nou die hare gaan op hê. En die hele look. Ek moet actually, weet jy wat mens ek gekry het nou? Kontaklens. En hierdie is rarig epically. Outfits alles. Kontaklense. Mad Hatter. Obviously met 'n twist, alweer. So. Die lippe gaan van dit. Ag, nou net pink. Kom ek wys jou gou. So dit is so ag, dit is so donker lyne af te nie. Ja. Kita isi. Hallo. Kijk, lipstick. Los van een night. Prova maak hy vir my nie my make-up look. Die res van hierdie make-up look gaan hierdie dingetjie my beste maatjie wees. En dan gaan ons lashes doen. Oi, Loïc. Hallo, Austin. Hallo. Baie interessant, né? Ons gaan nou oranje hare ook opsit. Oh, my neus is oop here. Somebody asked me for a Mad Hatter look for makeup, so now I'm giving them a Mad Hatter look for makeup. I think I should go and play makeup like this tonight. Hierdie gaan makliker wees, né? Met hierdie. Hello? Thank you. Hierdie gaan makliker wees, né? As ek die lashes voor ek dit plak wit maak. So as jy ooit hierdie look wil doen, verf jou lashes voor jy hulle plak. Okay, ek dink meerderheid is nou wit aan daai kant. Me, I stay in Iraq, under a rock. Very white. I think it's white enough though. Face Paint Mascara. Seems legit. Ek weet nie of ek baie van hierdie my lippe hou daar nie. Ek sien wat sy gedoen het. So sy het gegaan en 'n donkerder. So nou is dit. Ek weet nie hoe voel ek oor hierdie lippe nie. Ag, oor die... Okay. It is just vir 'n rukkie. Kathy, ek dink ek gaan vanaand so gaan netbal speel. Ek die mense 'n bietjie bang maak. Strak hulle ondag af. Hallo. Nee, iemand het my gevra, so ek maak eintlik 'n reply video. Ek is besig met 'n reply video wat iemand my gevra het vir 'n Mad Hatter look. Dus kom ons maak hom 'n bietjie donker. So ons maak 'n Mad Hatter, yes. Vir die Mad Hatter. So nou ek dit soms met my uit en kyk dit, hy lyk baie geel daar by julle nie, maar hy lyk actually mooi. Hy lyk nie so geel hier nie. Kijk, kom ons die oor op. Dis eers al die make-up. En nou, met julle beleef, lyk nie geel nie. As ek nou hierdie afwas, nee, dan sit nie van ek sit weer make-up aan nie. Dan is dit nou maar net so, dat ek sonder make-up gaan die res van my dag. Nie so nie, maar ek was hierdie af. En dan is ek oor make-up ding. Want dan ek niks nou hierdie. En ek sal nou nie so setting spray oor hierdie spray nie, omdat ek nie gebother is dat dit lang hou nie. So. Ag, ons hierdie oor aan sit. En ons hierdie reply video doen. Hierdie gaan nou actually nie so bad lyk nie. Ek dink as die hare nou eers op is, nou. Gaan dit rarig nie. So shitty lyk nie. Maar het voel of ek wel blinkers wil opsit. Ja, ek wil net soos 'n bietjie glitter doen nie. Alles lyk mooier met glitter. So kom ons doen net so dit so glitter. Just klein bietjie magic. Net just 'n bietjie. Hallo Inge. Ek is net besig om 'n reply video te maak vir iemand wat gevra het, kan ek 'n Mad Hatter make-up look doen. Hoekom? Okay, daarin. My kop wil nou nie dit verstaan. Okay. Kom ons haal hier net uit. So hierdie is letterlik net vir 'n reply video. Gaan ek hierdie net so oor die kleur sit? Ja. So hierdie is Artificial. Goed opsit, so nee, geloof ek. Okay, so dit lyk nie so bad nie. Hierdie is nie die regte manier wat jy die pryk kan sit, okay? Dit is die hele proses wat jy moet doen, actually. Maar we have not done that now. Okay. Ja, die hare maak 'n moeëse verskil. As jy die regte hare het, is dit baie maklik om die looks te create. Very, very easy. Maar nou kom dit alles by mekaar. En ek laat weer die hare. Okay, so dis nou wat ek vir julle gesê het. Ek het nie regtig 'n moeëse top het nie, maar as ek die shot net gaan regneem, gaan dit nie so opmaak nie. Dan sal die video nog steeds cool lyk. Want dit gaan lyk asof dit 'n top het is. Let me kyk bladruk. So. Okay, let us check. Nou, hierdie video is spoed en goeders. Baie dankie. Ek hou net nie van dat die kuif bladruk nie. Obviously, het ek hom nou spesifiek hoog opgesit, so hy is nie. Kom ons maak wat. Okay. So nou gaan ek rondspeel met die spoed op hom, want dan maak hy soos dit very cool lyk. Okay. Ek gaan regtig nou dit sê, Anthony. Cool. Okay. Dan kom sommer hier toe ek. Dan sommer hier net 'n video ook doen. En julle dan gaan ek hierdie hare en die goed gaan as. Scary movie live. Ek sal gaan bakker maak. Ek voel hierdie is soos It Vibes versus. Kijk, kom ons kyk. Ons gaan hom afneem. En dan gaan ons laat TikTok saam kies, want daai video's doen meer goed as TikTok self is saam kies. Okay, let's check wat sy saam kies TikTok.
Who's my good girl, toes girl? Well, I fuck her roughly, yeah, my tongue swirls in her eating up that
I built my own algorithm.
as I tell you, you're my good.
Built my own algorithm here. Nee, dis nie 'n filter nie. Wish, dit sou maklik gewees het as dit 'n filter is. Kom ons video call nou eers my sussie. Kom ons hoor wat sê sy. Kom ons wel eers, ons gaan nou eers vir Shell bel, okay? So sy is ook 'n make-up artist. Maar sy love hierdie goed. Kom ons hoor wat sê sy. Hopelijk kan sy antwoord. Maybe she's in a meeting. Okay, dus gaan nie antwoord nie. Maar dit sou wel 'n lekker video call gewees het. Hallo.
Hello, Sissy.
Ek het hom.
It's very nice. I like it.
Do you like it?
I like it. I love it.
Stefan Moomen, ek is nou al ginger skoondogter met my oranje eyebrows.
Ja, stuur vir 'n foto dan sê vir daar is ons jou ginger in die familie nou.
Ek gaan dit vir ons stuur.
Oh, dit lyk mooi, Sissy.
Ja, nou moet ek dit, maar dit is moeilik om soos met daai shit te doen hoor, met sulke donker blushes te doen met die contouring en goed.
O ja. Jy moet hom met 'n bietjie swart mee.
Gaan hy dan donkerder gaan?
Ja.
Ek wil nie donkerder hê nie. Okay. Thank you.
Ja, so net 'n bietjie swart.
Okay.
Yes, ja. Ah, exciting.
Okay.
Jy like Home Alone?
Ja, soort van. Dit is tot 3 uur toe, dit kon tot 3 uur toe, maar ek het haarkleur op my kop. So ek moet nou gaan afspoel.
Okay.
Ja.
Ag, lekker. Ek moet een keer daai breik opsit. Ek wil sien hoe lyk ek met ginger hare.
Ja.
En daai ander een van jou wat die ligter bruin is. Met die highlights, ek wil hom opprobeer.
Ja. Ag, daai is 'n mooi een, hè.
Ja. Bring hulle vir my saam. Het jy die pink probeer saam met hierdie al?
Ja, kom ons probeer die pink. Maar ek het 2 pinke.
Want dan sal die pink dalk bietjie meer uitstaan vir jou.
So ek het 2 pinke. die krul ene. So is die 2 pinke, so okay. Wacht, ek gaan hom nou probeer. Waar gaan ek jou neersit?
Dit moet net waar jy wil, sussie.
Okay, so ons gaan nou pinke probeer. Ek dink ek gaan eers hierdie ene doen.
Ja, daai ene het lekker volume.
Very much curly curl.
Yes.
Die mense op TikTok het gaan soos hierdie mense en hulle rolplay.
Wel, daar is nie ander Suid-Afrikaners wat dit goed doen nie, so.
Rarig. Ja, nog nie rarig gaan.
Het jy gesien wat Lisa gedoen het by Halo?
Sy het ook 'n body paint gedoen. Was 'n pers.
Met die pers.
Ek het die pers gesien,
Dit
ja.
het mooi uitgekom, hè?
Ja.
It also looks fun, maar die ginger like.
Ja, die ginger is definitief beter met die eyebrows.
Yes.
Mag ek asseblief nooit my hare so sny nie?
Asseblief never.
Ek gaan nou in 'n Captain America movie speel.
Yes. Dan moet jy net 'n army weekie opsit.
Ja. Ja, ek het nie al my weekend nie.
Oh, dit lyk oulik.
Okay, dan gaan ek my video daar continue. Jy moet 'n wonderlike dag hê, Shell.
Okay, dankie jy ook.
Love you.
I love you. Bye.
Nou het ons nog so ene wat ons bietjie met die pink ook kan speel. Dit lyk actually meer soos die ene wie so ek doen net. Okay. I'm giving Lady Gaga vibes. I agree. It is actually, ja. Okay, kom ons doen nou. So wat ek gaan doen is die video wat ek nou met die oranje gedoen het, gaan ek actually nog 'n transition doen, dan gaan ons pink toe. Die daar ene nou. Hierdie ene. En dan ons, sorry. Ek het ginger hare. So, dit is actually 'n Mad Hatter look. Wat ons besig is mee. My sussie het net gesê ek moet kyk hoe lyk die pink hare ook. Okay, ons sien liedjie klaar. Oor die lente. Ja. Ek like hierdie hare daar. Soos eendag as ek 'n regte soos ek dink as so regte soos 'n pilot pakkie het, dan moet ek hierdie hare doen. Sommer dit met hakkies en kakkies en ja. Ek dink definitief hierdie is die beter hare sommer hierdie. So Harley Quinn doen, was is ek sal hierdie hare eers wil doen, die regte hairs lê en dan soos 'n volle Harley Quinn doen. Ja. Dankie julle. Lia, ek gaan nou gaan netbal speel. Dink jy mense gaan distracted wees met my as ek so by die netbal kan kom? Nee? Kijk, kom ons doen een foto. Ons vir moment sê. My skoonma wil so graag een ginger in die familie hê, nee. So sy wil daar's 'n girl wat vir Witbank netbal speel wat sulke mooi natuurlike hare het. En nou die dag toe my skoonma sê en sy sê, kan ek jou huis toe vat? Kan ek jou steel? Nee, hier is. Jy kan my steel gaan, jy kan huishou met my. Ek het die hele begin gemis van wat ek gesê het van wat my rooi vlaggies is hierso. Ok, los die video. En dan gaan ek afwas. Bietjie, sorry. Een hele miniseries gemaak. Ok, dan. Nou moet ek hierdie hare gaan afspoel. Ek wil vir julle actually gou gaan wys. Ek het 'n make-up remover type of vibe wat ek nie hierdie goed af wil. Hoe vinnig haal dit actually af. Dis nou ek het so pryk, nee, met sulke lang bruin hare. Dit my fucking borswinkies, daai ding, nou die dag uit die kas uitgetrek. Olivia het nie die kas mooi gemaak het, toe hang die hare uit, het hulle daai hele pryk buite rondgetrek. I think this is done now. Hulle gaan maar so vinnig wil hulle hierdie af. Ek dink dit was meer as genoeg video's vir die eerste video. Happy. Hierdie wit eye lashes, nou, is nog 'n bietjie freaky. So een ding is van hierdie make-up wat my uitfreak, is dit die eyelashes wat ek wit gemaak het. Dis is 'n water. Maar dit is make-up remover. Dit is actually moer vandag. Even na die dag wat ek face paint gebruik het dan bol vandag afgehaal. Sien, nou gaan ek my eyebrows met wax en tint nou hierdie. Seker te maak ons geen oranje nie. Ek was net hier by my huis. Beloof. So ek dink nie die lashes nie, gaan weer dieselfde wees nie. So ek sal hulle teen jou net afhaal. En nuwe splak. Yes, ek het net 'n video gemaak, so ek het 'n make-up look gedoen. Maar ek laat dit ook op die lives te doen, want dan download ek hom net. En post hom op YouTube. Quick. Ja, sal ek hom net nog 'n keer oorvat om seker te maak soos everything is off. Ore is net meer groen vir nie. En dan die lekker ding van hierdie seep wat ek gebruik. Niks voel styf na die tyd nie. Kijk, daar is oorkeer, so ons gaan dit nou afspoel. En daar is die rede hoekom ek die R25 lashes gebruik en nie soos die lasting lashes en lash extensive duur lashes nie. Want I am a make-up person en ek is te lui om dit altyd skoon te maak. As jy 'n natuurlike persoon is wat nie baie make-up gedoen nie, maar al mense doen hulle duur lashes, want is reusable en dit hou lank. Dankie, julle. Ek gaan julle nou baie sê, want ek wil nou hierdie hare afspoel. En my arms is so seer en dan moet ek hierdie hare blaas. So julle moet 'n wonderlike dag hê. Dankie dat julle saam met my die make-up look create het. Okay, bye. Ek gaan dit nou post. Ek het baie video's gedoen, okay, beloof. En dan gaan die hele live download en op my YouTube channel post. Okay, bye julle. Waar die bak kom maar. Hy is net, kijk, daar so gaan hy, nou, sulke teels.